Welcome back. So now we're going to be looking at how we can get our free domain name and our free hosting plan. To get that, we have to go to www.google.com and search Infinite Free. I already have it here. Then when your search is done, you see something like infinitefree.net. And click on it. And after that, then when you are there, since we don't have any account already on it, then we have to sign up. I already have an account with them, but for the sake of tutorials, I'll have to log out. Then I'll sign up here. I'll put a new email. And I'll put password. Verify I'm not a robot. Then I'll create the account. So I'll have to put my email, verify my email. So now I have verified my email. I have to refresh. So after that, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to get a free domain name. To get that, you have to go to here, create an account. Then we have to use our desired domain. We're going to be using Bolly Victor. Then we'll choose any domain extension we want. We can't get .com. You only get these types of domain here. So we have to choose this. Go to search domain. When your domain has been verified and available, we have to go here and create password, a unique password. I'm going to be using Bolly Victor .123. Make sure your password is very secured and has an uppercase, lowercase, and a number, and also something like full stop or anything. Then once you are verified, go go to create an account. Then you open your cPanel. With that, I've gotten our free domain name and our free hosting. Now let's log in to our free cPanel that is hosted on our free domain name. So when you are almost getting there, you see something like this. Don't be afraid. Just click on I approve. It's to notify you changes to service account status, changes, offer, and other important service email we need permission to send you an email. Click on I approve. So with all that being said, you can see now we are in our cPanel where we can host our website. Our domain name is polyvictor.apizy as this. So in our next tutorials, I'll be showing you on how to install WordPress through your cPanel. Thank you. See you there.